Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In today vlog we are going to talk about one of the most important thing for every English learner. English speaking practice. Many people watch English videos, read books and learn grammar, but still they are not able to speak English confidently. The main reason is very simple. They don't practice speaking properly. If you really want to speak English fluency, daily speaking practice is not optional, it is necessary. First of all, let me tell you one truth very clearly. English speaking is a skill and skill improve only with practice. You cannot learn swimming by watching video and you cannot learn speaking by only listening. You have to speak even if your English is broken, even if your grammar is wrong. You must speak. Practice is the only way. The first step of English speaking practice is removing fear of mistakes, fear of people laughing, fear of wrong grammar. This fear stops you from speaking. Remember one thing, nobody speaks perfect English from day one. Everyone learn by making mistakes. From today, decide that you will not stop speaking because of fear. Mistakes are your teachers. The second step is daily self-talk practice. This is one of the easiest and most powerful method. You don't need any partner for this. Talk to yourself in English every day. When you wake up, say good morning, today is a new day. While brushing your teeth, say I am brushing my teeth. While cooking or walking, describe what you are doing. This habit train your brain to think and speak in English naturally. The third step is mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak English for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Talk about your day, your work, your family, or any topic you like. Look at yourself while speaking. This improves confidence, facial expressions, and clarity. At first, you may feel shy, but slowly you will feel comfortable and confident. The fourth step is using simple sentences. Many learners try to speak advanced English and get stuck. Remember, fluent English is simple English. Use short and clear sentences. For example, say, I am tried today, instead of using very difficult words. Simple sentences help you speak without hesitation and improve fluency. This the fifth step is listening and repeating. Choose one English video, podcast, or interview daily. Listen carefully to 1 or 2 minutes of content. Pause the video and repeat the sentence loudly. Copy the speaker's pronunciation speed and tone. This practice improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. The sixth step is learning daily. Use sentences. English speaking practice become easier when you know ready sentences. Learn sentences used in daily life like greeting, asking question, and giving responses. For example, how was your day? What are you doing right now? Can you help me? Let me think about it. Practice these sentences daily until they come automatically. The seventh step is recording your voice. Use your mobile phone and record yourself speaking English for 2 or 3 minutes every day. Speak on any topic, your routine, your goals, or today experiences. Then listen to your recording. You will notice your mistakes, pause, and pronunciation problems. This practice help you improve faster because you become aware of your weak points. The eighth step is thinking in English. Most learners think in Hindi and then translate into English. This slow down speaking start. Thinking in English with small thoughts. For example, I am hungry. I need water. I am going to work. Slowly your brain will stop translating and start forming English sentences naturally. The ninth step is practicing with real people. When you feel a little confident, try to speak English with friends, classmates, or colleges. Even short conversation are enough. If they reply in Hindi, you continue in English. Real life practice remove fear and build confidence faster than anything else. The tenth step is working on pronunciation, not accent. You don't need a foreign accent. You need clear pronunciation. Speak slowly and clearly. Use online dictionaries to listen to correct pronunciation of word. Repeat word loudly. Clear pronunciation make your English easy to understand and boost confidence. The 11th step is building vocabulary. With using vocabulary is important, but learning words without using them is useless. Learn 5 new words daily. Write them in a notebook. Make your own sentences and use those words in speaking the same day. This improves your active vocabulary, which is necessary for speaking. The 12th step is making English a part of your life. Don't keep English only for books and videos. Use English in small daily activities. Read signboards in English, think in English, speak small sentences daily. When English become part of your routine, speaking become natural. The 13th step is being patient and consistent. English speaking practice does not give result in 1 week. You need time. Practice daily even if it is only 15 or 20 minutes. Daily small practice is better than long practice. Once a week. Consistency create fluency. Another important point is don't compare yourself with other. Everyone has a different learner speed. Some people improve fast, some take more time. Focus on your own progress. Even speaking one sentences confidently is a big achievement. Always remember this powerful line. Confidence comes after practice, not before practice. Don't wait to feel confident. Start practicing and confidence will come automatically. Before ending this blog, I want to motivate you. English speaking is not difficult. It is only looks difficult because of fear and lack of practice. If you practice daily with honestly, you will definitely improve. Thank you so much for watching this blog. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember your English will improve day by day. Goodbye and take care.